taking real exciting pictures of you sitting in the car.
Yeah, dude.
Crazy stuff, dude.
Yep. All right, so we're here.
Don't need to document the part with you just sitting in the car. You're not gonna want to watch that later. I'm totally right, I promise.
Wagon trail. That'd be crazy. Just like when the ring raves are chasing, what's her name?
Yeah.
Can't remember her name. Arwen?
Snowshoes for this?
I don't know. Oh.
Here's pivot.
No? Well, I mean, a little bit. Holy shit. This is crazy. Hello, world. Oh. Well, high water. Or it's, yeah. Are we at hell or high water? It says 10 MP4 or MPH. Shit's crazy. Tim broke his snowshoe and we had to make it work using 50 feet of paracord. So, working on it, doing good. It took a lot longer and a lot more energy though than I anticipated. Climbing up this goddamn hill. Hopefully, it looks like it evens out up here. Flip around over there. So it should, in theory, hopefully give us a place to maybe think about putting a camp. Or Tim with his ring wraith. It's crazy. Till next time. Oh man. Well, we're turning around. It's too crazy out here. Gonna get a fire started. And this rain. Please. Please. Oh, we're walking back. We didn't make it. It's too crazy out here right now. Snow is beyond deep. Anyways, it's crazy. It's intense. We're just gonna go back to the car. Our snowshoes broke. Couldn't get a fire started. Just a whole bunch of nonsense. God damn it. Oh, I'm over this place. I'm over this place too. Fucking snowshoes just completely went to shit. That was probably the gayest part. Although I feel like I did kind of well, you know, like with the paracord. Even though it would have been a lot better had I not been in snow having to do that. And leaning over.
Or if I could just sit down somewhere for once.
Yeah, if you could have like sat down and I could have had it on my lap or something. It would have been great. But anyways, we're going home. This fucking rain is too crazy. There's like 6 feet of snow. We're just falling through it. It's not pleasurable. And at one point,
that is a good
not safe.
That's That's fun. That was so funny. Just
What?
that was so funny.
What?
Like just like getting just scared beyond measure.
Dude, yeah. I had a few like, oh shit, are we gonna be okay? I felt that a few times. And then I just had to like kick myself out of it because I was like, well, you can't just like, as soon as you experience that feeling, like you have to change the mindset instantly, or else you're just gonna sit and dwell on it and it gets worse, and then you really start to panic. But if you can just, you know, kind of get that little burst of energy, we're just talking about the experience, you know. I'm pretty stoked on my polyester top. It did pretty well.
Oh, I'm still putting all my cotton in the
I did
wool.
get fucking cold at one point though. As soon as the wind came, but then again, I wasn't wearing my poncho. And as soon as I put my poncho on, I started warming up. Anyways, all right, goodbye world.